Thanksgiving is over and we're now transitioning into winter here at the farm. I have a few pumpkins left from our harvest, so I'll be giving those to the chickens and the goats today. We have a few chores to do around here. Hopefully we'll have time to go get our Christmas tree, and then we're gonna make leftovers with our leftover turkey. It's a really quick and easy meal that I think everyone will enjoy. Tacos are so good. We hope you get to make those with your Thanksgiving leftovers. Next video, we are going to do another fresh take on Thanksgiving leftovers so you can try it at home. And subscribe below if you like this video.